everyone, in this video we are going to see about how to open a Demat account in under 15 minutes. We are also going to see about the list of documents that are required for opening an account online instantly, and we will see about the e-signing details, that account opening fee, everything. So first we'll see about the list of documents required before opening a Demat account. You need to keep everything in a soft copy format ready, so that you can instantly within 10 to 15 minutes you can sign up for a Demat account. So first you need to have a bank passbook or 6-month bank statement, any one of these things. If you want to do in commodity and F&O, you need 6-month bank statement, else you just need a bank passbook. So the main rejection that come while account opening is this: sometimes the bank statement will not have IFSC code and MICR code. So in that case you need to merge the bank passbook with 6-month statements. So you need to have you can have a single file and you can do it. Else you just need a bank's passbook which will always have this IFSC and MICR code. Next you need to have a PAN card. If you don't have a PAN card, you can apply instantly online and you can generate a PAN number through NSDL site, and there are some vendors who give this PAN card online. Third is Aadhaar linked mobile number, which is a very mandatory requirement. Without this you cannot do online e-signing without this Aadhaar linked mobile number. So you will get an OTP to this Aadhaar number, Aadhaar linked mobile number, for which you can use it for e-signing. So previously, without when we don't have this Aadhaar linking these things, people used to print this forms for Demat accounting, sign in 20 to 30 pages. Now everything is online because of this Aadhaar OTPs, everything. Third is signature on white paper. You need to write your signature on the white paper and keep it ready to upload. So now let's get started. So I've given the link in the description of this video to open a Demat account. So here is the link. You can use this link to open a Demat account and get all the courses that are featured in our website, powerpangu.com. So this is our website. You can check the details about the brokerage training courses, everything. So you can get these training courses in the premium course section of this website. All these courses, you can WhatsApp this number 807221003 and get it. Now let's quickly go to that account opening. So click on this link, first link. Then you need to enter your mobile number that you want to register with Zerodha. Then you will get an OTP to this. Enter your PAN card and date of birth as per the PAN card.
PAN number.
Then you need to pay the account opening fee, which is 200 for equity and 100 for commodity. If you want to open a commodity, then you need to pay equity and commodity combined 300. Else you can just open equity 200 only.
So you have a PAN card, so enter your PAN, choose that and enter the can use to indicate the payment. Then share details.
You need to enter your Aadhaar number. It will generate a OTP, and you can do the eKYC process through this DigiLocker. If you don't have your Aadhaar number registered with mobile number, you need to go to the nearby Aadhaar center and get it linked. Even if it is linked sometimes, then you need to log into digilocker.gov.in website and update the profile and then continue. It will be okay
with DigiLocker.
So these are
needs
the
to be
steps.
enter your Aadhaar number to your mobile
problem at this DigiLocker step
to DigiLocker for verifying your KE connect to UID and it will process mother's name, bank account.
Entering your marital status and father's name, mother's name, then your bank account details. So whatever the bank account details that you enter, you need to give only that proof, else your account will be rejected and you need to redo this process. So here you need to choose your trade classification, like annual income, trading, politically exposed, you can give no. Then commodity trade classification, you can give others. Occupation, whichever occupation you are in, you can give that. You need to tick mark these things. Suppose if you are already opened account somewhere and you came to see this video for doubts, what you can do is you can log out the current session and you can use the second link that I have given, and you can continue. Once you reach this step, you will see something like this, like I was assisted by a partner. So you can click this and enter the partner code ZMPMQU. This is the partner code. can enter this here and you can get the free training courses as well. So both of the people who are opening account new also get it, who already registered somewhere and continuing by seeing this video, you also can get it. So these are the two processes. Then other processes are very simple. So then you will be asked to do this in-person verification. What you need to do is you need to write this OTP in a piece of paper, show your face and that paper, or you need to take that photo. That OTP has to be anywhere, and start IPV. It will, then you click capture, it will record your face and that OTP. Once that process is done, then you need to, it's very simple, you just have to upload the bank proof and everything, the whatever the soft copy that you kept it, you upload everything, current signature, PAN copy, 6-month statement, or bank passbook, whatever you have. So once that is done, you need to do the e-signing. So for that e-signing, first you need to click on the e-sign equity, e-sign commodity. That is done, you will be code will be sent to your email. You enter the code, then you need to enter the Aadhaar number, OTP will be sent to Aadhaar number. So do both the equity and commodity e-sign, then you will finally see a congratulations, your account, we will email you the email credentials, like that. That's all. So it is very simple. Within 48 hours you will get a ID to your email. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me 807221003. Number is there, the description of this video as well. That's all. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you got a clear understanding of this. Bye bye.